I am beyond excited and grateful.
It's Today with Savannah Guthrie and Craig Melvin. The 45-year-old journalist and longtime Today staple is officially named Hoda Kotb's anchor chair replacement for the 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. hours on the NBC Morning Show after Hoda makes her exit in 2025.
Craig Melvin is the new anchor of the Today Show. And let me just say that the staff, larger staff, found out this morning, and people broke into applause.
Yes.
This is one of the most popular decisions NBC News has ever made.
Yes.
Congratulations.
I am beyond excited and grateful.
The announcement comes as Hoda shares that her last day will be January 10th, 2025, as the team cheers on Craig's appointment, which will start on January 13th. During his time in the NBC News family, Craig has held a variety of roles at Today, including weekend co-anchor, news anchor, and co-host of the third hour of Today.
And this place.
Yeah.
People see us on TV every morning. What they don't see are the folks behind these cameras and downstairs. We have the best team in television news. And I'm honored to be a part of that.
However, it's still unclear who will join Jenna as co-host of Today with Hoda and Jenna. Hoda first announced her decision to step away from her role at Today in September in an effort to spend more time with her daughters, Haley and Hope. And she explained in an interview to E! News that now is the right time to step away.
You know, you only have so many years on the earth. Like, what are you doing? What are you going to do? And so I do remember clearly on that 60th birthday on the plaza, I cried nonstop, not just out of joy, but out of sorrow, because I knew